Hello student, welcome to Intelligence classes. Here mathematics of class 10th exercise 2.4. We have discussed here question number 1. But before discussing question number 1 and exercise 2.4, we have to told you about that the exercise number 2.4 is not much valuable as exam. So, but we try to solve here because basic knowledge we have to know. So, let me see that in the first part you see verify that the number given alongside a cubic polynomial below are they are zeros. Also verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients in each case. So here this is the equations and part first we have to take here. So standard form of cubic polynomials that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and here you see the equation given equation that is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. So on comparison we get here a equal to 2 and b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 5 and d equal to 2. So let me see. So equation is here 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. If this is the zeros of this equation, it must be satisfied the equation. So let me take one by one. As a polynomial, the value of x we take first 1 over 2 and after 1 over 2 we take. So we have to put the value 1 over 2 cube plus 1 over 2 and minus 5 1 over 2 plus 2. So here we get 2 1 over 8 plus 1 over 4 minus 5 over 2 plus 2. So it means to say 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4, and here we take common and minus 5 5 plus 4 over 2. So after that we get here 1 over 4 plus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So after taking LCM from this 4, 1 plus 1 minus 2 we get here 0 over 4, it means to say 0, which means P 1 over 2 satisfied this equation. Now take P the value of x1. So the value of x1 we take here, and after taking we see 2 1 cube plus 1 square minus 5 1 plus 2. So after that we get here 2 plus 1 minus 5 plus 2. After that we see here 2 plus 1 3 and 2 5 and 5 minus 5 0. It means to say the value of x p1 which is also satisfied. Now we take p minus 2, this satisfied or not. So we take here 2 plus minus 2 minus 5 minus 2 plus 2. So here we get 2 and minus 2 ka cube, it means to say minus 8, and here we get 4 and here we get 10 plus 2. So here we get 16 plus 16, which is also verified. So p minus 2 also satisfied this condition. Now we see the relation of 0. The relation we see here. So let me see the zeros are zeros of cubic polynomial that is alpha, beta and gamma. So this is the three zeros of cubic polynomials. So first condition, the sum of polynomial, so that is alpha, beta and gamma. So which is satisfied or not, it means to say alpha, beta and gamma which satisfied, that is b over a. So here we see the value x1 alpha 1 over 2 and 1 plus gamma minus 2. So after that we made a calculation here, 1 plus 2 minus 4. So we get here minus 1 over 2, that is minus b over a. So in the given equation also we compare. So b over a, it means to say v, that means minus 1 and over a, that is 2. This is also satisfied. So verified this condition. So now we take about taking two zeros, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So that is 2 0 we see here. So that is c over a, we get alpha beta it means to say 1 over 2 and beta here 1 plus beta 1 and gamma 2 here plus gamma minus 2 and that is 1 over 2 here. So we see here 1 over 2 and minus 2 minus 1. So here c over a, it means to say we take LCM 2. So 1 minus 4 minus 2, it means to say c over a, that is 4 6 minus 5 over 2 equal to c over a. It means to say we see c over a, the value of c in given equation, that is the value minus 5 and a, the value of a is 2, which is also satisfied, verified here. And now we take the product of 0. So product of 0, you know, alpha beta gamma. So alpha beta gamma, the product is 1 over 2 and beta 1 and gamma, that is minus 2. So here you see that is minus 1. So the product of 0, it means to say d over a. D over a, it means the value of d. Here you see the value of d is 2 and here the value of a is also 2. So here we see the value of d over a, 2 and 2. So that is the value of d. The value of d which is positive, it means to say here you see minus b over a, that means here minus d over a. So minus and minus, we get here minus. So this is the equations you get.